OnePlus is set to continue its Ace series with the anticipated launch of the OnePlus Ace 3 volts. A recent leak on Weibo has unveiled crucial specifications for this upcoming device. The OnePlus Ace 3 volts is expected to boast an impressive 1.5K resolution OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing users with a visually stunning experience. Under the hood, it will be powered by the robust Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. Fueling the device will be a substantial 5,500 mAh battery, complemented by the convenience of 100 watts charging support. The device is said to feature a plastic frame and a glass back, with possibilities of flat and curved edge screen variants. While the leak didn't disclose information about the camera, storage, or RAM, enthusiasts are encouraged to stay tuned for upcoming reports to unveil these details. The OnePlus Ace 3 volts is part of the brand's strategy following the successful release of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered OnePlus Ace 3 in China earlier this month. Following the release pattern of previous Ace series phones, it is anticipated that the Ace 3 volts and Ace 3 Pro will be launched in the first and second halves of the year, respectively. Notably, past trends suggest that the OnePlus Ace 3 volts may follow a similar path to its predecessor, the Ace 2 volts, which was exclusive to the Chinese market but globally rebranded as the OnePlus Nord 3. Therefore, the global market might witness the OnePlus Ace 3 volts as the OnePlus Nord 4 or Nord 5, marking another exciting chapter in OnePlus's smartphone lineup. Stay tuned for further updates on this promising device.